Good afternoon. It's October the 13th, 2016. Time to wrap up another trading day. Today we're going to look at the 30-year bond. We came in this morning looking for the long side of the market, a long trade because of the 30-year auction. We like the long side better. Our first sell zone was 3 to 7. Our first buy zone was 13 to 17. And the low happened to be 17 and the high happened to be 9. So we caught the markets pretty well with our initial analysis. We're just going to look at retest failure trades. That is the trade of choice. We lean against preceding bars with a pivot high on it, high or low. And our first trade of the day set up here really nicely. Would have had you long in as high as 23 to as low as 19, and that trade was good for 11-30 seconds if you traded it perfectly. This retest failure trade here or this one, either or, would have worked. Good for 6-30 seconds if you traded it perfectly. We like these little 2-bar highs and lows. That one was good for 13-30 seconds if you traded it perfectly. Here's a retest failure, a little triple top, good for 7 if you traded it perfectly. If you traded this trade right here, it would have been a scratched 2. This retest failure was good for 9-30 seconds if you traded it perfectly. This little triple bottom right here, good for 9-30 seconds if you traded it perfectly. Got up here. This little 2-bar, you can see we broke that bar's low on the second low. That ended up being a scratch for us. This retest failure right here, good for 11-30 seconds if you trade it perfectly. Nice retest failure, a little triple top right here, good for 7-30 seconds if you exited against the mode. Would have been good for another 2 if you'd exit against the mean green line. This retest failure trade was good for 7 if you traded it perfectly. We didn't have any losers today. That's unusual. We usually have 1 to 2. 10 trades possible. We only count 6 seconds max on our winners, so pretty conservative take on the market on our winners. Keeping score, 30 seconds or $1,687. It's a nice contract. Hey, we're going to give new visitors 5 free days in the main trading room where we trade crude, gold, the euro, 30-year bond, 10-year note, and the mini. In those 5 free days, you get to see me, the software, methodology, work, live, real time. Looking forward to seeing the main room for your 5-day free trial offer.